Welcome back to Auto Hubs, the channel where you get the first look at the latest rides, in-depth reviews, and everything automotive. If you're passionate about cars, trucks, and SUVs, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the world of wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting: the official unveiling of the new next-generation 2025 GMC Yukon Denali. Yes, it's finally here, and it's bolder, smarter, and more luxurious than ever before. If you thought the previous Denali was a statement, the 2025 edition takes that legacy and pushes it to new heights. Let's start with the design. From the moment you lay eyes on the new Yukon Denali, it commands attention. The front fascia has undergone a major transformation, with a redefined grille that's even larger and more intricate, showcasing a mesh pattern that's both aggressive and elegant. Flanking the grille are new signature LED headlights, with a sharper design and improved illumination, offering better visibility and a futuristic look. The sculpted hood adds a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Down the sides, clean lines and premium touches like chrome accents and Denali-exclusive badging emphasize the SUV's upscale nature. At the rear, new LED taillights and a refreshed bumper give it a distinctive and modern appearance, while the overall silhouette remains bold and muscular. Now, under the hood, the 2025 Yukon Denali is offering more than just a visual upgrade. The standard engine is the trusted 6.2-liter V8, but with improved tuning and efficiency. It still delivers that signature Denali power and smooth acceleration, perfect for highway cruising or towing. But here's the real news. GMC is introducing a new plug-in hybrid variant in the Denali lineup for the first time ever. While specific details on range and output are still trickling in, early indicators suggest a balance of performance and fuel economy that will set a new benchmark in the full-size SUV segment. Of course, the driving experience wouldn't be complete without GMC's adaptive ride control, and the 2025 Denali brings an even more refined version. Whether you're gliding over highways or maneuvering through rough terrains, the suspension system adjusts in real time to ensure maximum comfort and control. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where GMC has truly outdone itself. Open the doors and you're greeted with an environment that rivals luxury sedans. High-end materials are used throughout. We're talking about real wood trims, aluminum accents, and perforated leather seating. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a driver-centric approach and features a massive 16.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's also a 12.3-inch digital driver display with customizable layouts giving you vital information at a glance. And for those in the back, the rear seat entertainment system has been upgraded with dual 12.6-inch screens. Perfect for long road trips or keeping the kids entertained. The new Yukon Denali also boasts best-in-class interior space. With seating for up to 8 passengers and a flat folding third row, it delivers the flexibility modern families and adventurers crave. And when it comes to storage, you'll find ample cargo room, even with all seats up. And even more when you fold them down. GMC is also introducing a new trim in the Denali lineup called the Denali Ultimate. This is the most premium Yukon ever made. It includes massaging front seats, a suede headliner, an 18-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system, and even Super Cruise hands-free driving on compatible roads. That's right, full-size luxury meets next-generation technology. In terms of safety, the 2025 Yukon Denali is loaded with all the latest driver assistance features. You've got forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and much more. The enhanced HD surround vision system now includes a transparent trailer view and off-road camera modes, which make towing or navigating tricky terrain easier than ever. GMC has clearly listened to customer feedback and doubled down on tech. Wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin, and a new digital key system that lets you use your smartphone to unlock and start the vehicle are just a few of the thoughtful touches that elevate everyday convenience. And for those who like to venture off the beaten path, the AT4 trim continues to be available, offering unique off-road features like underbody skid plates, all-terrain tires, and magnetic ride control. This year, though, AT4 and Denali trims are more distinguishable than ever, letting you pick the style and capability that matches your lifestyle. When it comes to pricing, GMC hasn't officially confirmed the full lineup yet, but estimates suggest the base Denali will start around $75,000, while the Denali Ultimate will likely cross the $95,000 mark. For what you get in terms of luxury, tech, and performance, that's competitive with high-end offerings from luxury brands like Lexus and BMW, but with that bold American SUV DNA that the Yukon is known for. So what does this all mean for the SUV market? The 2025 GMC Yukon Denali New Series is not just a refresh. It's a clear message from GMC that they intend to lead, not follow. With a combination of heritage, innovation, and sheer presence, the new Yukon Denali sets a high standard for what a premium SUV should be. Whether you're a longtime GMC fan or someone looking for the ultimate family or adventure vehicle, the new Yukon Denali is worth a close look. With its fresh styling, upgraded powertrain options, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge tech, it truly feels like the next generation of full-size SUVs has arrived. Thanks for watching Auto Hubs. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with all things automotive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2025 Yukon Denali. Is this your next SUV, or are you holding out for something else? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep your engines running and your wheels turning. This is Auto Hubs signing off.